In the previous video, we explored the concept of women's love as defined through the Shringara Rasa or the erotic sentiment, discussed in classical treatises such as the Natya and its later commentaries. In this lecture, we will examine the details of Shringar more closely and understand how its emotional states can be identified in late medieval Ashta paintings. As discussed earlier, Shringara Rasa exists in two primary states: Sambhog, which refers to the union, and Vipralambha, which refers to the separation. According to classical theory, both union and separation can occur in two different ways: Swakiya and Parkiya. Swakiya refers to natural or organic causes that bring lovers together or drive them apart. In this situation, emotions arise internally without the influence of external circumstances. Parkiya, on the other hand, refers to situations where lovers' union or separation is shaped by external factors, such as social restrictions, misunderstandings, distance, or obligations. In medieval paintings, while natural union or Swakiya Sambhog may be represented, it is often the Parkiya forms of union and separation that are depicted far more dramatically and with greater emotional intensity. Artists were particularly drawn to the tension, longing, and uncertainty created by external obstacles, as these emotions allowed for a richer visual storytelling. Having established this new foundation, we can now turn our attention to the Vipralambha Dasha, or the emotional states associated with separation in Shringara Rasa. Traditionally, there are 10 states of Vipralambha, although not all of them are visible in surviving paintings. In this lecture, we will focus on the states that are most commonly represented in visual art. Once again, these states are often defined by whether separation occurs naturally or due to external circumstances. The first state of Parkiya Vipralambha is Abhilasha, meaning expectation or longing. A classic example of this state is the Viroha Kantata Nayika, the heroine who waits impatiently for her beloved, filled with anticipation and emotional restlessness. Another example is the Vesakka Sajanayika, who prepares herself and adorns her surroundings in eager expectation of a lover's return. The second state is Chinta or worry. This emotional condition is also frequently associated with the Viroha Kantata Nayika, whose longing is accompanied by anxiety and uncertainty about whether the beloved will return. The third state is Smriti, meaning remembrance or reminiscing. This state is beautifully illustrated in the paintings inspired by the Geet Govind, where Krishna and Radha are often shown thinking about each other after separation. Their expressions and gestures convey the nostalgia, emotional attachment, and a lingering memory of past intimacy. The fourth stage is Gunakathan, which refers to the act of speaking about the beloved's qualities. In these scenes, the heroine may share her feelings with friends or companions, praising the virtues of her lover, or sometimes reflecting on his shortcomings. In such paintings, the specific identity of the heroine may not always be clear, but the emotional atmosphere unmistakably communicates the mood of Shringara Rasa. The fifth stage is Udveg, meaning agitation or impatience. This emotional tension can be observed in both the Abhisarika Nayika, who boldly ventures out to meet her lover despite obstacles, and the Viroha Kantata Nayika, whose restlessness intensifies as she waits. The sixth state is Pralap, or lamentation and mourning. This state is vividly expressed by the Prashitta Bhartruka Nayika, whose husband or beloved is away for a very long period, and the Kalahantrita Nayika, who suffers after a quarrel has caused separation. Their sorrow is often depicted through gestures of weeping, slumped posture, or emotional withdrawal. As mentioned earlier, there are 4 additional states of Vipralambha described in classical aesthetics. However, these are not consistently represented in surviving paintings and therefore fall outside the primary scope of our visual analysis. It is also important to remember that Shringara Rasa is not limited to religious narratives alone. While many examples draw from the love stories of Krishna and Radha, especially those inspired by the Geet Govind, secular themes and courtly romances also depict the emotional richness of love, longing and separation. Through these paintings, artists transformed abstract emotional theory into vivid visual language, allowing viewers to recognize and experience the many shades of human emotion embodied in the Shringara Rasa.